Sanibonani, ngiyanibingelela igama uThabusi Ntwenhle, intombi yakwaZulu Natal. Namhlanje ngizokukhombisa ukuthi ku-apply kanjani for seasonal jobs. Ayikho-ke imisebenzi engekho ku-seasonal jobs. Step sokuqala la ekhaya uma ngabe si-apply imisebenzi ukuthi singene ku-Thabusi jobs njengoba kubhaliwe laphaya. Ebese singena ku-website straight ka-Thabusi jobs. We are going to see the latest jobs ekhona njengamanje njengoba sibona la mawehla uya ezansi uzoyofika lapha ekugcineni uzoyibona into ethi seasonal jobs. Nangoke guys, seasonal jobs uyampressa remove guys i-advert leya evela lapha phezulu wehla. So la ku-seasonal jobs they are telling you ukuthi they sponsor you with H2A and H2B visa, and then they also just basically telling you ukuthi process noma procedure when applying to via seasonal jobs ihamba kanjani. So you need to read this, and then also mawehla uya ezansi we always look for something that says apply here ku-Thabusi jobs. Nangoku apply here mawuchofa lo apply here uzokufaka straight kwi-website ka-seasonal jobs njengoba nibona. Again mawungena kwi-website yabo, please make sure that you are not on the wrong website. It should write US Department of Labor, and then when you go down they're going to show you the popular listing nationwide, imsebenzi that people usually apply for noma imsebenzi that is available on their website. Njengoba nibona la, there's construction, there is farmers, kuningi guys, khona meat, poultry, khona forest and conversation, khona restaurants, khona like kuningi, ayikho into engekho la. If you wanna come here in America, also harvest vegetables and fruit, and also be a seafood processor or a landscaper or a construction worker or a farmer, whatever that you want to be at this point, because ayikho into engekho lana again. And also guys, ngiyacela ukuthi kakhulu kunemisebenzi ka farm. So those people are interested abakwaziyo ukudrive ogandaganda, who can also drive truck, because also if you have experience ka code 14 you have the opportunity ukuthi ukwazi ukusebenza la. So I'm just going to show you how to apply. This is storage assistant, maintenance and repair workers, right? Lapha phezulu bayakutshela ukuthi they want someone who's gonna start work ngomhla ka-1 kwinyanga ka-8 ku-2024, and then i-contract yakhe izophela ngenyanga ka-6 mhla ka-1 ku-2025, and you get paid $20.89 per hour. The email address to make your application is h2a.info@waltherfarms.com. So yeah, if you want to send your CV for this particular job, you send it on that email address up there. So down here they're just basically telling you ukuthi umsebenzi owani, what's expected of you, the requirements they do. They have employer information like the number, the company name, the telephone, the address, and so what's important is that when you're sending your CV on that particular email that's written up there, do not forget the ETA case number, which is H300241410 njengoba ibhaliwe laphaya. That number serves as a reference number which shows umqashi wakho ukuthi iyiphi i-post oyi-applyelayo. You should put that on your subject line when you're writing down your email. Do not forget to press or view job order. Uyabona leya PDF adingichof. Leya PDF tells you everything. Some job opportunities would sponsor you with a certain visa, some will not. So because when you're in South Africa or any other country and you're applying for this job, you need to make sure that you view that PDF to see in detail what visa they're offering you and what are the benefits as well. So now I'm going to show you the easiest way out to apply for jobs here or to find jobs here, when you go to your search button, you just do it alphabetically from A, B, C, D until Z. You see, I've just used A, and then all the jobs that start with A I avail, and then I removed A, I put B. Yonke imisebenzi eqala ngo-B iyavela. Uyabona, or brush cleaner, blush clearer, and then if I put letter C, there's sugar boiler C, and then there's field worker, kuningi nje yonke imisebenzi eqala ngo-C, and then ngifaka o-dealer. So basically I'm trying to give you the easiest way out on doing these applications. Do alphabet A until Z. I wish you guys luck. Do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.